That's a nice rock. They're like inclined. Okay, you too close.
Yeah, it's too close, Bill. Too close. Even Daddy's got a heart attack.
Even Daddy don't attack.
So it's going for a nose treasure.
No.
It's funny. Actually, if you guys were sitting there, it would be better because of the light.
Okay.
Why don't you guys sit over there?
Where?
On that rock. Because the light's better going that direction.
Hello.
You ready? Right here.
That's the cliff there.
Take a picture.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, baby, close your eyes. Close your eyes. No, Bella. Okay, you over there, Mom.
Okay, over here between my legs.
Sit down, Bella. Nene, want to get a picture with Mommy? Okay, listen, Celeste.
Yeah.
Right here next to Celeste.
No, I want to go with Mommy.
All right, sit down. All right, now. Everybody close your eyes, and I'll tell you when to open them. That way your eyes won't hurt. All right, 1, 2, 3, open. Got it.
Okay. Sissy, you go first. Go over there to Daddy. Then you go over there with Daddy.
Nathan, can't you step somewhere else instead of my hand?
What was your question, Celeste?
Can't he step somewhere else other than my hand?
Nathan, Sissy asked you a question. Can you step somewhere else other than her hand?
No. Now, goodbye.
How do you feel about that?
Let's go, guys.
Is the bus coming?
I think so. Let's go through this trail.
Come on, buddy.
Behind this, and maybe you could just do that. Like
Oh, that's a good shot right there.
I know. Bella, you want to come? There's Bella. Look at Daddy.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Got it.
That nice?
Nene, get over there, buddy.
You could be in the front.
Yeah, that'd be great.